Greetings viewers all over the world. This video is designed for people who wish to make extra cash, for people who wish to get out of debt, for people who wish to get rich or become wealthy, or for people who wish to make and leave an inheritance for their children and grandchildren. Today I'm going to be talking about 3 safe and worthwhile online businesses that you can get into and start earning from home. For those who are seeing my videos for the first time, my name is Zenzo Dube. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on more informative videos that will inspire you and give you the practical wisdom to start your business. Also, please like my video and comment to let us know what challenges you are facing in starting your business, so that in videos to come we prepare and give you solutions to help you become the entrepreneur or business owner you wish to be.
The first online business that you can get into is affiliate marketing. Here you get paid on commission every time a customer you have advertised to purchases something. Personally, I have just recently signed up for this, and here is how it works. After registering and signing up to be an affiliate marketer, you get a link which you can share with all your contacts or on all your social media apps, and if anyone clicks on that link and registers and purchases something, you get a percentage of their total purchase amount. The most interesting part is every time that this person buys something from that site, you get a percentage as commission. An example of a company you can affiliate with and make money anywhere around the world is Amazon. It has a wide variety of products, their costs are affordable, and their quality is amazing. You can get their link in my description. The second online business you can get into is network marketing. There are multiple ways in which you make money in network marketing. Unfortunately, nowadays there are many scams, hence you need to take calculated risks. For example, last year in May, I joined Inuga Fragrance's network market. Just as I shared in my video, My Debt-Free Journey, my reason was that I looked at the products I would get when I joined and realized that they were of high quality and there was no way I would fail to sell them. But even if I had failed to sell them, I would still not be at a loss. Furthermore, the joining fees were reasonable and very much affordable, meaning recruiting others to join would not be a hassle. As I record this video today, I have over 100 downliners, and in total, from my profit from sales and my Inuga salary, I am making over 10,000 rands per month. Projecting from the way things are happening now, it goes without saying that next year by this time I will be earning over 20,000 rands per month.
Your fave is out here looking and smelling like a director's wife, like OMG, like oh my gosh, like oh my gushy. Oh my word. Like guys, I smell the way I look. I literally smell like that. You see my face? I literally smell like my face. Like, can you guys smell it like literally over the phone? Guys, do yourself a favor and purchase these 2 items that I have on my hand. The Inuka perfume and the lipstick. Best thing you can ever do for yourself.
The third online business you can get into is creating and running a YouTube channel. To get paid with a YouTube channel, it requires you to have 1,000 subscribers and for your videos to be watched for 4,000 hours. Bearing in mind that someone does not have to know you to subscribe to your channel or contribute to your watch time hours. The world population right now, according to statistics, is almost on 8 billion. After subtracting those who do not have phones and those who are not literate in regards to social media, the chance of getting 1,000 subscribers and raising 4,000 watch hours in a year is just too high. How soon you raise 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours pivots on how often you post your videos, the quality of your thumbnails and videos, how effective your titling, description, and tag choices are, and how well you market your channel, just to mention a few. Thank you for watching right up to the end of the video. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.